Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making these ghost coasters. These adorable, super simple Halloween coasters are easy to make with fabric, batting, and pinking shears. It's a cute little Halloween project that'll brighten up your tabletop or desktop just in time for the holiday.
Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs.
That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric, black fabric scraps for the eyes and the mouths, cotton batting, pinking shears, and of course the printable template. First, place the ghost fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place a layer of batting and align it with the shorter end of the fabric. Fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Cut out the paper templates and arrange the templates on the fabric at least a ½ inch to 1 inch from the fabric's edge and from each other, and pin them in place. Rough cut around the templates. Then stitch each ghost by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Use pinking shears to trim a 1/4 inch to ½ inch outside the stitching lines of all the ghosts. Use the paper templates to cut out the eyes and the mouths and arrange the fabrics on top of the coasters with the right sides of the fabric facing up. Use a glue stick to hold them in place. Stitch around the designs using a straight stitch, zigzag stitch, or a blanket stitch. I like to try out different stitch lengths and widths on fabric scraps before I work on the applique. And just like that, just that fast, you've made yourself some super easy ghost coasters. Now you're ready for Halloween. See you next time with another project.